Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. Hot Wheels 2022 USM case just arrived from Mattel. A little beat up, look at this. Like, you just never know how these cases are going to arrive. This one arrived, I think this is probably how it was packaged in the factory, but that doesn't matter. We're going to have a look at the models, see what is inside. You know, I've watched some of the other unboxings. I know the M case has been unboxed before. I get it when Mattel gets it, which means if they get it and they're sending it to me, it means it's in their distribution centers, which means its release in stores is imminent if it hasn't already happened. So I'm going to try and remember what are M cases, or what is M case new models, what's L case. I think we'll be in good shape here just going through it, and we just will get started with the Driftsta, Hot Wired, and the Aristorat. I'm going to try and remember, look and see what are treasure hunts and what aren't. Don't know if they're on there. Ooh, okay. Here's the first one that is a highlight for me. This is the Toyota Supra. In red, I think there's going to be another one, because it's then and now. Obviously, we know there's going to be one that isn't, or that's probably a newer Supra, right? So that one looks kind of cool, nice and clean. We'll definitely put that in the highlight pile and go from there. I'll do where I open them and put them in the collection, right? Hot Wheels Warp Speeder and the Dodge Viper RT10. So put the Supra over there. Ooh, another new model. 62 Corvette Gasser. How cool is that one? There's the artwork. I think this is a Vatuski design, right? I don't know if it says. Just the designer is Hot Wheels, right? Another Gasser. We've seen a few of those. Obviously, Gassers are popular. A classic Corvette Gasser is very cool, too, from the drag strip. That's a highlight. That'll go in the new model pile as well. Dodge Challenger Drift Car. I think we've seen that one before. Nissan Leaf Nismo. I think we've seen that one before. And the 2005 Ford Mustang. I think we've seen that one before. Lay-in Lowrider. That's a new color of the Lowrider. It's the what is it? The Hot Wheels original Lowrider. Not a licensed one, but it's a very nice design, especially for a basic model. Dodge Viper and the Lethal Diesel. Got another Vet. That's cool. We got a Sand Burner. That's very much a Leeway design. You just know it when you see it, the color combinations and everything else. And then the Lay-in Lowrider. Oh, okay. There we go. There we go. See, I try and stay in the dark what's new in these cases, or at least I kind of forget about it. This is the Nissan Maxima drift car. I was lucky enough to premiere this one, to sneak peek this one, right, from the Hot Wheels Dream Team from Dima. He sent it over, and there it is in the package. That is just, it's such a cool car. I think the response to this was so fantastic. Like, if the fact that it's a Maxima, the fact that it's a wagon, the fact that it's a drift car, the fact that it's done so kind of uniquely. It's such a cool model. Highlight of the case, most likely for me, Lightning Bug and Hot Wheels Rapid Response. Sandburner again. We've seen the Mazda RX-7, and there's the Honda Civic Custom from the last case, which is obviously very popular. Fusion Busta. There's the Lamborghini Cyan FKP 37 and the Lotus Sport Esprit Recolor in yellow. Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, Ram Charger. That's an homage to the original funny car, right? And I know that now because I have the Ram Charger funny car in drag strip Demons. Always a Batmobile, and 68 El Camino in teal color. I think we've seen all of those. Another Honda Civic, kind of cool. Custom Chevy pickup. That might be a recolor, right, from the red one. And the Dodge Charger SRT. Seen that one. Mazda RX-7 and Cyber Speeder. Is that new? No, it's not. But again, Leeway design. Always know a Leeway design. Very cool. And Honda S2000 in red in a very cracked blister. All right. Well, we already done the Honda S2000 in red, so we won't put that in the highlight pile. Let's keep going. Another Lamborghini Barbie Extra and the Nissan Leaf. Push these over. Keep them in the stacks to try and put them back in good shape. Arkham Asylum Batmobile again, Barbie Extra again. Here's the Cruise Bruiser also in the wagons. I think we've seen this one. Not entirely sure, but I think we have. Have I gotten the treasure hunt? I don't know if I have. You guys can leave it in the comments. We've seen the X34 Land Speeder. We have seen the Lamborghini Miura SV. That would be the Supra in the last case, right, in the L case. And we've seen the recolor of the Nissan Z prototype. Ah, here's a good one. Lancia Delta Integrale. Got Eibach on there. Castrol. Nice to see this casting back. Gets the details in the front. Nothing in the back, but I like the wheels on this one. The turbofan wheels. That looks very cool. This is a popular casting, and very happy to see that. There's the turtle shell and the donut drifter. Oh, there's a Honda S2000 sandwiched between two very cool wagons. Chevelle SS wagon, we've seen that one before, and then there's another Nissan Maxima. Nice to know there's at least two in there. Lightning Bug, El Camino, 60 El Camino, and then there's the wow, that is fantastic. Recolor of the Volvo 850 Estate, like the forest green, but this in black. Wow, that is awesome. Details in the front and in the rear, and then the Rio logo there. That goes in the highlight pile for sure. We're wagon centric in this one, right? Nissan Z Proto again. There's a recolor of the Camaro convertible, this time in black. It was in red to start. I like how they did the wheels there on the artwork. That even looks better than the MC5s. The art really exceeds that Lethal Diesel. Fusion Busta, another turtle shell, and there's a recolor of the Hummer EV, yellow to start. This is kind of a burnt orange, right? That looks nice. Lots of EVs in this line, right? So that will go in the highlight pile for sure. Dodge Charger 500. We've seen that one from the last case. There's a Lamborghini Miura SV. This is the 84 Mustang SVO. If it had, I think, 5 spokes, right? 5-spoke reel riders. This would be the Super. Mattel sent me that one. I don't have it with me right now, but I'll show it when I do the highlight video. And we'll put these two together. This SVO casting is a very popular one. It's a little large, but it's a cool casting, always popular when it's released. I think it's very similar to the 92 Fox Body Mustang casting, both designed by Junimai, that I think was a Super a few years ago. Maybe we'll dig into that when we do the highlight video. So that one definitely goes into the highlight pile. Another, I mean, what's up with all the Batmobiles? Electro Silhouette and the Dodge Challenger drift car. Oh, that's nice. There's the 18 Camaro SS. That's kind of nice and clean. I think that's a recolor, right? And then the supercharged, just the supercharged done as a funny car, right? That looks kind of cool. Kind of a modern funny car design there. And then, 83 Silverado, tuned Silverado from blue to red. So that one goes in the highlight pile too. And we'll finish off another rapid response Rescue Duty, and we've seen the McLaren Elva before, so those go there. So what's the highlights? Not a big bunch of highlights in this case, right? I think everything that's supposed to be there is there, but I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure. So the tuned Silverado for sure. 84 Mustang SVO for sure. GMC Hummer EV for sure, because it's a new model. Love the Delta Integrale, the Lancia. Really happy with the two wagons that are in here. Really happy with those. Fantastic, almost a stock-ish and a not stock at all wagon. And then the Corvette Gasser and the Toyota Supra. So new models in this one that we haven't seen before, new license models, are the Maxima drift car and the Corvette Gasser. So you guys tell me what you think. You know, cases tend to go up and down. Some of them just seem like loaded, like everything you pull out is crazy cool. This one, there's some crazy cool stuff in it, but a little bit more isolated. But that's, you know, these cases there's collector stuff amongst stuff for kids. So most of the stuff will go back in the case and to get donated to the hospital. I'll keep a few of these for the collection. You guys tell me what you think. Thanks, everybody. Bye.